Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to make an eggless Oreo cake. This cake tastes very tasty and delicious. So let's see how to make it. First of all, in a bowl, take half a cup of milk. The milk should be at room temperature. Then in this add half tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it and keep it aside for 5-10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will sieve all the dry ingredients, that is maida, milk powder, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Now sieve all the dry ingredients. It's a very important step, so don't skip this. Now we will make the coffee mixture. For this, take 2 teaspoons of water and half teaspoon of the coffee. Mix it well. Now the milk has been curdled. In this add 3 tablespoons of the vegetable oil, half cup of the powdered sugar and half teaspoon of the vanilla essence. Mix it well with the help of the hand whisker. Now add all the dry ingredients and mix it with the help of the hand whisker. Add the dry ingredients gradually, don't add all one at a time. Use a hand whisker so that no lumps are formed in the batter. Now add the coffee mixture that we made earlier and mix it nicely. Now take a spatula and scrape the sides of the bowl and mix it with the help of the cut and fold method. Don't overmix the batter. So our cake batter is ready now. Transfer the batter in a greased mold. Here I have taken a 6-inch mold. Tap it for a couple of times. Now preheat your kadai for 10 minutes. I have added the salt and placed a stand on it. Now bake the cake for 40 to 45 minutes at a medium flame and cover it with a lid. Now after 45 minutes, check it with the toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, means the cake has been perfectly baked. Now let it cool down completely. Now take some Oreo biscuits. Here I have taken 6 number of Oreo biscuits. Break them roughly and grind them to a fine powder like this. Now we will make the chocolate ganache. For this, take half cup of the dark compound and in this add 4 teaspoons of the milk. Melt in the microwave or you can do it by double boiler method. So our chocolate ganache is ready. Now the cake has cooled down completely. Remove it from the mold and cut the cake in 3 equal parts. Now we will make the sugar syrup. For this, take half cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it nicely. So our sugar syrup is ready. Now take a chilled bowl and whisker attachment. In this add 1 cup of the chilled whipping cream. Now beat the cream till we get stiff peaks. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes. You can see that the stiff peaks are formed. So our cream is in a perfect consistency. Now in this cream, add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of the crushed Oreo biscuits. You can add more or less as per your choice. So our Oreo cream is ready. Now take a cake board, apply some cream on the cake board and place the first layer of the cake. Now apply the sugar syrup. And apply the Oreo cream over it and spread it with the help of the palette knife. Now add the chocolate ganache over it. Add around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Due to the chocolate ganache, the cake tastes very tasty. So do try this cake at your home. Now put some Oreo biscuits crush and also some Oreo biscuits. It's optional. It will give a crunchy flavor to your cake. Now place the first layer upside down in the middle and fill the gaps from the sides. So guys, if you're new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Now again apply the sugar syrup. As the chocolate cake is more dry than the normal cake, apply a good amount of the sugar syrup. Now again apply the cream and spread it. Again apply the chocolate ganache over it and spread it. Now add some Oreo crushed biscuits and also some Oreo biscuits. Now place the last layer of the cake and apply the cream on the sides to fill the gaps. Now apply the sugar syrup on the top part. Apply a very thin layer of the cream for crumb coating. It's very important to crumb coat a chocolate cake as it has more crumbs than the normal cake. So don't skip this process. Now refrigerate the cake for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, apply the second layer of the cream. Always start from the sides first and then cover the top part. Now apply the cream on the top portion and spread it with the help of the palette knife. Now take a scraper and give a nice finishing on the sides of the cake and remove the extra cream with the help of the palette knife. Now here I have added some milk in the ganache to give it a flowing consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of neutral gel to give a nice shining to the ganache. Mix it nicely. Now pour the ganache on the cake and spread it with the help of the palette knife. Now here I have taken some Oreo biscuits. I have removed the cream from the biscuits. Now stick the Oreo biscuits on the sides of the cake like this. Now here I have taken a star nozzle. Make some small stars like this. So our eggless Oreo cake is ready. Refrigerate the cake for 1 to 2 hours and then serve. Hope you all like this video. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.